Good evening, guys. Welcome back with the last puzzle in this the additional of today's newspaper on Thursday, August the 1st, 2024. And I've already solved 3 puzzles: the 3 stars, the 4 star Sudoku, and the binary. It's time now for the Jigsaw Sudoku number. Let me position the camera. This will be number 9011. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has a lot, 16 printed digits. Usually the hard ones has always 8, 9 or 10 printed digits, but this one has 16. Maybe it's a 0 stars. For 0 stars puzzle I need to be faster than 14, maybe 30 minutes. Maybe it's a 1 star puzzle, and 1 star puzzle need to be faster than 15 minutes. Well, it's indicated with 4 stars, and for 4 stars puzzle we need 30 minutes or more. Question is this a 4 stars puzzle, a 1 star, or 0 stars puzzle? We don't know, we will see, so let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box? Because the single box is always a 1. Here single box, there single box, always a 1. Next question, do we have here dual boxes? I see here a dual box contains the 1 and 2. Well, let me mark those 2 boxes. Next question, do we have here triple boxes? Let me check for triple boxes. No triple boxes here. How about quadra boxes? I see only 1 quadra box. These 2 boxes cannot be a 3, so 3 could be here, could be there. And the other numbers could be everywhere. Then, my next strategy is to look for shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. For example, the T shape. Upside down. Let me draw the T shape here. When you see the T shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. But also that box has the same number as this box. And that box has the same number as this box. So in this case, it's a 3 here. Okay, do we have more T shapes? Nope. Then the following shape, how about this shape? Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Do we have more of these kind of shapes? Nope. Then the following shape, how about this shape then? Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Do we have more of these kind of shapes? No, only 1. Then the following shape, how about the L shape? Well, the L shape, let me draw the L shape here. When you see the L shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Do we have more L shapes? Here, another one rotated. This box has the same number as that box. More? No. Then the following shape, how about this shape then? When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box, it's the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 2 here. Alright, here another one, upside down. This box has the same number as that box. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. Maximum 6, I believe the Z or the S construction is missing here. Maximum 6. But in this puzzle, we have only 5 of them that you need to recognize. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those and numbers. So let's get starting filling those and numbers. All right. Let me see. Yeah. These 3 boxes surround the 1. Can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. These 3 boxes surround the 1, can be 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area is supposed to be here. These 2 boxes can be 1. We have a double 1 there. If I place a 1 here, I can fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. But also those 2 boxes can be 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area is supposed to be here. 1 and 2, we have 1 now, no 1 there. 1 should be here, the 2 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. Let me think. Well, these 2 boxes can be a 1. That box can be a 1. And this box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Supposed to be here. These 2 boxes can be 3. So 3 could be here, could be there. Well, I don't think the 3 should be there, because if I place a 3 here, this box is connected with that box. Should be so a 3. But we already have a 3 there. So it can be a 3 anymore. That box should be a 3. Alright. Then this box can be 3, that box can be 3, so the 3 could be here, could be there. That means we have a double 3 there. That means that this box cannot be a 3 anymore. If I place a 3 here, I can fill any 3 in one of those 2 boxes. Not the solution, place a 3 there. Only place level 3, should be there. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 3. These 2 boxes can be a 3. That box can be a 3. So 1 box level 3 in this W area shape. Supposed to be here. These 2 boxes can be a 3. So 1 box level 3 in this area supposed to be here. Then let me see. Well. This box can be 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. Yeah. That means that those 2 boxes can be a 2. We have a double 2 there. But also this box can be 2. We have a double 2 over here. So only 1 box left in this area for the 2 should be here. Alright. This box can be 2. That box can be 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this T-shaped area is supposed to be here. 2 numbers left in this T-shaped area. 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing, and a 5 is missing. 4 and 5. Let me mark those. Is connected with that box, should be so 4 and 5. This box cannot be a 1, can be 2, can be 3, should be also 4 and the 5. We have a pair here. That means 1 digit left in this area for number 2 is connected with that box, should be so 2. This box is connected with that box, should be so 4 and a 5. Okay. 2 numbers left in this L-shaped area for numbers 3 and 5. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be and a 5 goes there. 4 or a 5, we have a 5 there, so this can't be 5 anymore. This box should be a 4, is connected with that box, should be so 4. 1 box left in this T-shaped area for number 5. 1 box left in this area for number 5 is connected with that box, should be also 5. 2 numbers left for numbers 3 and 4. 3 and 4. Okay. Then let me see. Well. Come on. 1. Well, we go up. This box can be 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. That means that this box cannot be a 4 anymore. We have a double 4 there. And this box can also not be a 4. We have a double 4 over here. So 1 box left for the 4 in this quadra box, supposed to be there. And I've eliminated here the 2, so the 2 goes there. So 1 digit left in this quadra box should be there. These 2 boxes can be 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this cross area, supposed to be here, is connected with that box, should be so 1. Mark those 2 boxes earlier with a 2. We have a 2 there, so this box can be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2. I think this box should be a 5, because can be 1, can be 2, can be a 3, we have a double 3 there, can be 4, we have a double 4 there, so 1 digit left should be the 5, 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and the 4, 3 and the 4, we have a 3 there, no 3 there, 3 should be here, and the 4 goes there. These 2 boxes can be a 4, but also that box can be 4, we have a double 4 there, so the only place left with 4 in this area is supposed to be here. 2 numbers left. For numbers in this cross area, 4 and 5, 4 and 5. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, 5 goes there. This box can be a 5, so the 5 goes together with the 1 as a pair. 5 and 1, 5 and 1. We have 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 1 goes there. 1 digit left in this area for number 2. Then, let me see. Let me see. Yeah, this box can be 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. Well, this box can be 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. And let me see. Let me go down. This box can be 4. This box can be a 1. So 1 and 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and 4, 1 and 4. We have 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and 4 goes there. 1 digit left in this area for number 5. This box can be 5, so the 5 goes together with the 2 as a pair. So 1 digit left in this area for number 3. And let me see. These 3 boxes surround the 4 can be 4. So the 4 could be here, could be there. These 3 boxes surround the 1 can be a 1, but also that box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this L-shaped area is supposed to be there, and I've eliminated here the 4, so the 4 goes here. These 2 boxes can be 3, so 1 box left for the 3 in this L-shaped area is supposed to be there. 2 numbers left for numbers 2, and the 5, we have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 2 goes there. It's connected with that box, so 2. These 2 boxes can be 5, so 1 box left for the 5 in this area is supposed to be here. 2 numbers left for numbers 1 and the 4. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, the 4 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 5, so 1 box left for the 5 in this area is supposed to be there. 2 numbers left for the numbers 1 and the 4. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, the 4 goes there. Alright, we go up. Then, let me see. These 2 boxes can be 1. Those 2 boxes can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area is supposed to be here. This box cannot be a 2 or a 5. We have a double 2 there, double 5 there. So the 2 and the 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and the 5, 2 and the 5. We have a double 5 there, so I cannot place the 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 1 digit left in this area for number 3. Mark those 2 boxes earlier with a 5. We have a 5 there, so this can be 5 anymore. That box should be a 5. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and the 4. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 2 and the 5. We have 5 now, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 2 goes there. This box can be 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and the 4. Well, I cannot place the 2 there because we have a double 2 there. So the 2 should be here, and the 4 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 4, so 1 box left for the 4 in this W area shape. We're supposed to be there. Final 2 numbers, no, 3 and a 4 here. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 3 goes in there. And the final 2 numbers for numbers 1 and the 2. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 2 goes there in this W area shape. Finish in 14 minutes. Wow. Well. Not a 4, not a 3, not a 2. Let me give this a 1 star. I'm faster than 15 minutes. Should be a 1 star. Yes. And we solve again, and I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you tomorrow. Yes. So have a great and fantastic Thursday. And tomorrow we have a speed test, the first Friday of the month. I will do always a speed test. So see you then. Bye bye for now.